sharp. John Outdoor Videos, like and subscribe, please. I was looking at my numbers the other day. 92% of my viewers are not subscribed. And I don't find that funky fresh. But I do appreciate those that do subscribe. I do find that funky fresh. Right. Beautiful. Beautimous. I said that backwards, actually. I'm not even thinking. I meant to say, when you have a hand jam, then you know it's gold. And when your hands are tight, you say, for red, this feels just right. Probably also get a 0.75 right there. Super cool. We'll take a cool route. What are we gonna do in this little guy? .3, .4 offset. I'm not gonna worry about slinging that one. I love offsets. See, that's just like nestled in there. What a baby. What a cozy baby. All right. Placement up here. Oh. Cool. 0.2, 0.3 offset. Oh, how do I get up here? I want to see up in here. Wish I had another foot down here. Can't really see what's going on. Valerie, watch me. That little push down there worked out really well. .3, 0.2. These are my savior. I love those cams. You know what? I'm gonna put a nut in also. That'll do. Super cool. Yeah, that's probably fine. Okay. Okie dokie. Oh boy. That was a bit of a doozy. Pretty cool last move. All right, take. All right, do you want me to just clean it? All right, lower a little bit. Yeah, this nut was okay. Check this out. Just comes right in. This 0.2.3 was sick. Look at that thing. A little bit lower. Nice. Nice job, baby. All right. A little bit lower. I just want to get this. Yeah, it looks perfect. I really like getting a couple pieces close together, down low. My buddy Patrick of DetroitClimbingSchool.com, a website that is not currently open, but he is still doing guiding. He says, always put 2 pieces between you and the hospital. I don't know if that's an original quote, but yeah. I guess I was kind of up high, but it was cozy. Cozy terrain. All right, please like and subscribe. Bye.